All right, let's talk about a huge problem for new e-commerce stores, that sinking feeling.
Sound familiar? I mean, this thought can keep you up at night, for sure. It's a valid fear.
But here's the thing. What if you're using the wrong strategy entirely? Let's reframe this.
See, a successful general store isn't a brand on day one. Think of it as a laboratory.
So what's the real difference here? It's a simple but really powerful mindset shift.
And this right here, this is the crucial point most beginners get totally wrong, and it burns cash. So the solution is a strict, repeatable system. We call it the Impulse Protocol.
Okay, the protocol has 5 steps. Pick, test, send, judge, and act. Let's see how it works. If you run those broad, unfocused ads, the algorithm literally has no idea who to target.
And check this out. A single product funnel gives you such clean, actionable feedback, it's night and day. So your ads stay laser-focused on that one item. The store just handles trust and checkout.
See, this is how you stop competing with Amazon. You're not a marketplace, you're a funnel. Okay, so a product goes viral. What do you do now? This part is absolutely crucial. This is the smart move. You don't keep the winner in the lab, you spin it off.
And boom, now you have 2 powerful assets, a testing lab and a scalable brand.
So really, a general store is only junk if you run it like a messy garage sale.
So you have to ask yourself, is your store a garage sale or is it a laboratory?